The starter checks his watch, and one of the most eagerly anticipated champion hurdles is about to get underway. It is now post time. Walking in, and they're off for the 2014 running of the Stan James Champion Hurdle. They've gone off at a blistering early gallop with Our Connor, Captain Seavey and Hurricane Fly towards the near side, and he flattened the first flight of hurdles. Out very wide was Petit Zig as they crossed over the first of the 8 flights, and no prisoners been taken here by Our Connor, who is setting a searching early gallop. Towards his outside, Captain Seavey, and a little bit wider is Hurricane Fly. Then the new one, who's towards the inside as they come on now towards flight number 2. Melodic Rendezvous is the one who's right out the back of the field and already been just niggled along by Nick Schofield. He's not travelling early here, is Melodic Rendezvous as they go through the first 2.5 furlongs. So it is Our Connor with the big white blaze. On the outside, Captain Seavey as they come towards the second flight. Hurricane Fly is racing in third, Petit Zig, and then Jeski with the new one on the inside. My Ten Till Yours getting a good trail into the early parts of the race. Now Grametti has come off the bit, and so too niggled along is Melodic Rendezvous. So they make the run up the hill in the Stan James Champion Hurdle, and it is Our Connor on the inside. On the outside is Captain Seavey, and these are the first 2. Hurricane Fly is racing in third, Jeski between horses, and on the inside is the new one. Then there's a break of 1.5 lengths to Petit Zig, who's posted out just a little bit deep to the outside of My Ten Till Yours. They make the run slightly downhill. Grametti is a further 1.5 lengths away, and 3 lengths back to Melodic Rendezvous. Making the run now on towards flight number 3 in the Champion Hurdle, and it is Captain Seavey who has now taken the lead for the first time. Jumped that one well. Down is Our Connor, and badly hampered was the new one. The new one was stopped in his tracks, but Our Connor takes a crashing fall as they make the run now on towards flight number 4. So it is Captain Seavey who leads. Hurricane Fly racing in second. Jeski to the inside now in third. Then My Ten Till Yours still pulling AP McCoy's arms out, really travelling powerfully in 4th position. Petit Zig towards the outside took that one in 5th place. Then Grametti, then the new one, having been badly hampered at the beginning of the back straight and still outpaced at the back of the field, is Melodic Rendezvous. So they make the run now towards the top of the hill, and it is Captain Seavey and Mark Walsh who lead the Champion Hurdle field. In second now on the outside is Hurricane Fly. On the inside, Jeski, a bad mistake by Petit Zig, who paddled his way through that flight of hurdles, which was the 4th from home, and Captain Seavey still leads by 1.5 lengths. Hurricane Fly, the dual champion, poised in second. Jeski to the inside is in third. My Ten Till Yours still travelling powerfully in the hands of AP McCoy. Then the new one, who's been given time to recover, having been badly hampered before halfway. Grametti, Petit Zig, and still outpaced at the back of the field is Melodic Rendezvous. Down the hill they come. They have 3 more flights of hurdles to take. Captain Seavey just had the lead over Hurricane Fly. Jeski on the inside, and now beginning to loom towards the outside. Here comes AP McCoy on My Ten Till Yours. They're getting away now from the new one, and then Petit Zig as they race towards the second from home. Jeski on the inside, Hurricane Fly to the outside. Captain Seavey is trying to hang tough. Now he angles to the inside on My Ten Till Yours as they make the turn in. It's Hurricane Fly taken on by the J.P. McManus Battalion as they race down towards the final quarter mile. It is Jeski who strikes the lead. My Tent or Yours looms towards the inside. The final flight, Jeski's over in front, more fluent than My Tent or Yours in second. Hurricane Fly sees his title slipping in third. 100 yards to go. Jeski to My Tent or Yours, who's coming hard. Here's the line. Jeski is the champion hurdler from My Ten Till Yours, and then the new one. Hurricane Fly was back in 4th, and in 5th came Captain Seavey.
First, number 4, Jeski. Second, number 6. Third, number 9. And the 4th placed horse, number 3. The full result of the 2014 Stan James Champion Hurdle Challenge Trophy. First, number 4, Jeski. Second, number 6, My Ten Till Yours. Third, number 9, the new one. And the 4th place horse, number 3, Hurricane Fly.